The following video takes you through the process of setting up the STIHL app on your smartphone, as well as the installation and configuration of your Smart Connector in the STIHL app and on your product. To install the Smart Connector, you require a smartphone or tablet with the Android or iOS operating system, the STIHL app, and if necessary, tools to attach the Smart Connector to your power tool. Check that an internet connection is available and that Bluetooth and GPS location are switched on. Open the App Store and search for STIHL. Install the STIHL app. Open the STIHL app and select My STIHL. From the orange field, you reach Login for STIHL Connected. Swipe upwards and tap Register. Fill out the form and send the registration. To activate your account, you will receive a link per email, which is valid for 2 days. Now choose a password. Your password must have at least 8 or more characters, 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 digit. Activate your account now. You can also log on to the web-based STIHL Connect Pro portal with the same user data. Tap Plus and select Add Product. You can add products in 3 ways: by scanning the barcode or data matrix on the STIHL product, by searching for the product name in the STIHL catalog, or by creating the product manually. Third-party products can also be created manually. Scan the barcode and enter the 9-digit serial number if necessary. Refer to chapter Main Parts in the instruction manual for the position of the serial number. Enter current running time of a previously used product. Your product now appears in the product overview. Select your product, add connector and Smart Connector. Open the Smart Connector with the tool provided. Remove the battery and insulating strip. Tap Continue in the app and scan the code of the Smart Connector. The LED glows green when you fit the battery. Close the cover. If you have a fully supported product, you will see a video with installation instructions for your product. If you have a product that is not fully supported or a third-party product, attach the Smart Connector close to the spark plug, electric motor, or other electromagnetic field with screws, adhesive, or cable ties. Your Smart Connector is ready for operation and records the operating data of your product from now on.